Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial video. I'm Will, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to retrieve stock data from Yahoo Finance. So let's get started. So just start by looking up Yahoo Finance, and it'll be this first link here. So let's click on it. Let's say we want stock information from Westpac. Let's just look up Westpac Banking Corporation. Let's click on it. And the data that we're looking for is in historical data, right? Cool. So here's the data that we're after for Westpac. But one thing to notice before we hit download here is the time period that the data's over. So let's say we want 5 years worth of data. Let's say starting from today. So 5 years. So that's from 2017 to 2022, right? We can also manually change what the date is by just typing in here. But for our purposes, the current date here is fine. So let's hit done. And now let's just hit apply. Right. And now we can just select download. And cool. Here's our stock data here. So let's open it up. Awesome. So here's our data. And let's make sure we save it in a location where we'll be able to access it later. So in my cases, I'll just save it to my downloads. Give it a good name. Feel free to name it whatever you like. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.